The display of a higher mini-split air conditioner shows the F6 error code, and the unit is completely shut down without any kind of vibration. This indicates an outdoor unit fault. So let's proceed to the outdoor unit and examine what the issue might be. Now we have reached the outdoor unit, and I will explain what the fault is. We have already opened the cover of the outdoor unit, and you can see the outdoor PCB. When this error occurs, an error will also be displayed in the outdoor unit, indicated by LED 1 blinking. I will now count the LED blinking. Watch carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When it blinks 12 times, you will know the error code. The possible reason for this error is that the ambient sensor on the outdoor unit is faulty, and you will need to replace it. In addition to this, you can see this yellow-colored connector, which is the outdoor ambient temperature sensor. If it becomes faulty or has a loose connection for any reason, the F6 error code will appear on the display. Therefore, you should check this sensor. How? By measuring its resistance value and ensuring it matches the specified range. If it doesn't, adjust or replace it, and the fault will be resolved. However, if you replace the sensor and the error still doesn't clear, what should you do next? Let me explain. Now we have removed the PCB from the outdoor unit, and I will provide you with complete details about it. Look closely. This is the ambient temperature sensor, and it is installed here in this manner. This is how it is attached to the outdoor unit. Now let me explain the PCB in detail. If replacing the sensor does not resolve the error, there could be an issue with the PCB itself. At this point, we will power up the PCB and demonstrate how the entire setup works. Now we have set up everything. As you can see, the PCB is connected to the multimeter, and we will show you that when we turn it on, it should produce 5 volts. As you can see, yellow jumper wires are connected to the yellow connector. The red wire represents plus 5 volts, while the brown wire represents ground. When the PCB is powered on, there should be 5 volts present here. As you can see, as soon as we provided power, it is showing 5 volts. 5 DC volts are available. If these 5 volts are not present, it means the PCB is faulty. In that case, repair the PCB. However, if the issue is severe, such as a damaged microcontroller, then you will need to replace the entire PCB. Once this power PCB is either repaired or replaced, the error will be resolved. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.